Year 10 Geometry Exam Practice Question 17. A tree was planted in 2008. By 2011 it had grown to 3 meters tall and cast a shadow that was 4.5 meters long. The tree had grown another 3.6 meters by 2015. Draw a diagram and solve how long its shadow would be now when measured on the equivalent time and date. So let's look at our first part. It says our tree was planted and by 2011 it had grown to 3 meters. So this is my tree here and I know that it is now 3 meters. And it casts a shadow that is 4.5. So I've got a shadow here and that is 4.5. So next one it says is the tree had grown another 3.6 meters. So that means it had grown 6.6 meters altogether. So if I do another triangle, and this was 6.6. And then it says, draw a diagram and solve how long its shadow would be now. So we are trying to find out this shadow. So at the moment, I'm just going to draw it like a triangle. So these are similar triangles, and there is a scale factor relationship between our tree size and our shadow. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is looking at my 6.6, and I'm going to be dividing it by the 3, and that gives me 2.2. So the scale factor, SF scale factor, is 2.2. That helps me work out the length of my shadow, because now I just need to times 4.5 by the scale factor of 2.2, and that gives me 9.9. So my shadow is 9.9. Now the next step, it says, what is the angle of elevation from the ground to the top of the tree? So we are looking at this, our angle right here. So straight away we are using the tan relationship. So we've got the tan. Our angle is equal to opposite, which is 6.6 over 9.9. Now we need to get our angle to be by itself. So in that case here, we need to go the inverse of tan. 6.6 over 9.9. And that gives us an angle of 33.69 degrees.